Start by installing side rail per instructions. Clean and wipe rear surface of bed cap with alcohol pad. With bulb side up, align and adhere bulb and wiper seal to end of bed cap. Ensure seal contacts side of bed and side rail. Repeat on opposite side. Next, wipe vertical surface of bed cap with alcohol pad. Cut bulb and wiper seal to 1 1/4 inch. Align and adhere seal with bulb side up and adhere flush with bed cap. Firmly press adhesive along seal. Repeat to install seal on opposite side rail. While holding rear edge 1 inch above side rails, carefully place header panel on side rails. Then slide forward and lower support bar into retainment brackets. Ensure swing latch is underneath catch on both sides. Center the cover on side rails while in horizontal position. Engage tabs under side rail, then torque to 20 foot-pounds. Now secure safety straps to cover. Close the cover to ensure tailgate functions properly. While in vertical position, swing pivot links out and attach to anchors. Test fit placement on top of cab. Ensure pivot link is flat against anchors and mark location. Repeat for opposite side. Clean marked location with alcohol pad, then apply primer and allow to dry. Peel liner from adhesive on anchors and adhere to marked locations. Apply pressure for 10 seconds, then close cover. Ensure front corners of cover seal are clean, then wipe with alcohol pad. Trim bulb seal to fill gap at edge. With bulb side up, align and adhere seal to front cover seal. Ensure gap is filled and repeat on opposite side.